Okay, let's dive into this. Welcome to our latest explainer. Today, we're actually going to put a magnifying glass over one singular, incredibly dense piece of source text that's been, really making waves among focused AI learners lately. We're doing a total deconstruction of a very specific directive. Top 20 GPT-5.6 Terra prompts everyone should save. Because this text is just so concise, we're going to unpack exactly what this one phrase implies about how we're supposed to interact with next-generation AI.
But hey, before we get to the prompts themselves, I really want to emphasize this number, 5.6. We aren't just talking about your run-of-the-mill everyday language model here, folks. No, the inclusion of that GPT-5.6 Terra designation, that signifies a very distinct, highly advanced, and honestly incredibly powerful evolution in artificial intelligence. The word Terra itself kind of suggests something foundational, something world-building and just massive in scale. It is a massive technological leap forward, and it requires a completely new level of strategy to actually navigate successfully. So here it is. This is our complete, verbatim source text for today's explainer, Top 20 GPT 5.6 Terra prompts everyone should save. Because of the highly dense, almost imperative nature of this one single sentence, we're going to perform a real microanalysis of exactly what this directive means for users like you and me. Every single word in this sequence is pulling its weight, laying down a blueprint for how to actually interface with Terra. It's not just some casual suggestion, it sets a very clear standard for optimal efficiency.
Section 1. The magic number 20. Curation over quantity. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how it frames our approach to all this. Let's think deeply about that number 20 for a second. Out of the literal millions of potential inputs and conversational threads you could throw at an intelligence as vast as GPT 5.6 Terra, our source material narrows the whole thing down to just 20. That implies an absolute need for a highly concentrated, meticulously curated list, right? It's basically telling us that success with advanced AI isn't found in trying to memorize this overwhelming, endless catalog of commands. Actually, scratch that, it's the exact opposite. Success is found in extreme curation. 20 is a highly manageable number. Think of it like a perfectly refined toolbox, rather than some disorganized, cluttered warehouse. Because look, on one side, you've got the conceptual inefficiency of trying to navigate Terra without a strategy, and honestly, it's just chaos. You're out there guessing, iterating endlessly, and frankly, wasting the immense potential of a 5.6 model. But then, contrast that with the laser-like precision of having these top 20 prompts at your immediate disposal. By filtering out all that extra noise and isolating the top 20, the text strongly implies that strategic precision is the absolute key to unlocking Terra's true capabilities.
Section 2. The imperative. Everyone should save. So the crucial point is the word save. In this context, it isn't just about clicking a little bookmark icon on your browser. It is a full-blown strategic necessity. You have to internalize, store, and ready these precise tools for instant deployment. You must capture the value deliberately, right then and there, before it just slips away into the digital noise.
And who exactly is this imperative directed at? Well, as you can see, we've prepared a highly complex, deeply scientific data visualization for you, a donut chart, with the single 100% slice clearly labeled everyone. Okay, all jokes aside, it really does drive home the point that this imperative leaves literally no user behind. Whether you're a casual explorer or a totally advanced developer, the text insists that this curated list of 20 applies directly and urgently to you. Section 3. The ultimate AI takeaway. Let's move to A and see how this builds on everything we've talked about so far. And this brilliantly illustrates our core thesis for today. The full text, Top 20 GPT 5.6 Terra prompts everyone should save means exactly this. GPT 5.6 Terra demands highly curated, universally saved strategies. The ultimate message of our very brief yet very potent source material is all about being perfectly prepared to capture value. You simply cannot walk up to a system of this magnitude empty-handed. You must curate, and you absolutely must save. Which brings us to a final, somewhat provocative thought for you to chew on. Are you prepared to capture and save the essential top 20 when you encounter them? The source text is clearly telling us they exist and that we need them. As AI continues to evolve at this crazy pace, the difference between total digital chaos and true mastery, well, it comes down to whether you are ready to capture that value the exact moment you see it. So stay focused, stay organized, and always be ready to hit save.